All right, I want to see if you can spot two yellow lines in the chart I'm about to show you. Sorry for my voice, getting over a cold, but listen, it doesn't have to be either or. I'm trading stocks actively. I made over $10,000 in the last hour trading a couple stocks. I'll show you. But I'm also in these DeFi projects. These DeFi projects are very, very risky, just like the stock market. But these DeFi projects pay a 0.5 to 1% every business day. I'm going to show you a project called Shao Bank. But before I do, check this out. In the project I've been in, Shao Bank, I've been in for months and it's paid me 0.5%. So even when I can't trade, because maybe I'm busy, I'm still making passive income. Now, it is high risk. Do your own research on every project I cover. Most of these are DeFi games. You get in, you get out, and you hope for the best. But with the stock market, I gave you guys in the chat Palantir. Palantir I bought. You see the yellow line right here and a yellow line right here. This is within 24 hours, okay? You guys, I cannot make this up. Let me make myself over here so you could see the date and time, okay? In the chat, February 5th, I made this. Bought 2,000 shares. Why did I do that? I literally bought the bottom, okay? Bought the bottom. I'm showing you guys on the 5-minute chart here. See how it's a 5-minute chart at the top? All right? And this is TradingView. So this is a subscription service that I use for trading, and I track RSI, different indicators that I use. And look, I entered in here. Now, I know that they had an earnings, but because the stock was not at an all-time high and there was no momentum going into earnings, a lot of FUD, I thought this is a great risk-reward ratio. So I ended up buying here at about 16.75. I told the chat. And then this morning, I closed out almost at the all-time high. I closed out around 21.20 on average, my exit price, and you could see the stock has fallen down. Now, long-term, I am bullish on Palantir. I do think the street will adjust their expectations, and this will be a $25 to $30 stock. But because the catalyst, their earnings catalyst, which was incredible, because it is done and over with, it's a sell the news event. So I'm not looking to get in until maybe it reestablishes below. We need to find what a floor price is. Then I'll look for consolidation, probably enter back in. Okay. Also, we've made money on save. I gave you this, a save again. I was in and out already. And I also told you about Tesla. Here's where I got in yesterday, just showing you guys this yellow line gave the chat a notice. And here we are today. Okay. This is about an $8,000, $9,000 trade for me if I were to sell here. But again, I'm dollar cost averaging long-term in Tesla. Now, this leads me to talk to you guys about DeFi projects. So this is a project right here where I'm making Hong Kong dollars. This is a DeFi project. They're a bank. They started in Hong Kong, got kicked out because of regulation, but it's highly speculative because I don't know who the founders are. And when it's crypto, you should always go in and know that it's nothing but, a high risk play. But I'm showing you this, that it doesn't have to be either or. You can typically get in these DeFi projects and get out. You don't have to stick around and be the last one holding the bag. I know that a lot of you guys want to, you want to, let me put in my code here so you can't see it. So I can withdraw. I'll get myself on the screen. I know you guys might be thinking crypto is stupid. You can never make money in crypto. Why do you even play crypto? I get it. Crypto runs on 4-year cycles. We are headed into one coming up, and I anticipate that as we get closer to April, when the Bitcoin halving event happens, there will be a bunch of coverage on this event, and it will cause all of these stocks to go upwards. To be honest, after that, I don't know what the next catalyst is. We had the Bitcoin ETF. That was a great catalyst. But it was obviously a sell the news event. You can literally look at the chart and you can see. So if you just sit in Bitcoin, you haven't made any money in the past month. Whereas Shao Bank, you have. You're making, if I go here to where is it? Oh, the bonds. Yeah, these are the bonds that I bought. I make 0.5% every day. And you just come here. This is how much Hong Kong dollars they cost. I bought in USDT. So let's say you wanted to make 0.5% for over the course of 4 years. Again, that's a huge time horizon. Will they last that long? I don't know. But you just have to do the math and say, how long until I break even? So I've got projects like Shao Bank working for me in the background while I'm holding crypto, actively trading. And this is what works for me. It may not work for you, and that's totally fine. But I don't want to be so dependent on any single project or any single source of revenue and income. So whether it's real estate, stocks, trading, crypto, you name it, I want to be a part of putting my risk capital in all those places. I can make money in the market trading when the stocks are going up or down. And I look for key indicators for that. Well, Shao Bank, I look for key indicators. They're a public company in Hong Kong. They got kicked out, so a lot of FUD came on them. But look, there's a lot of momentum still. 5 hours ago, there's this post. Oh, there's me. And everyone so far has been, they've all been making money, okay? Here's my friend Ryan. He's showing you he's making money. So everybody has made money in Shao Bank so far. Doesn't mean that one day it'll stop, but this has gone. Honestly, it's gone on a lot longer than I thought, and it's pretty cool. So just full transparency, they have partnered with me for a sponsored video, which means I have exchanged the attention I give to their project for compensation. You should know that, but I'm saying that also knowing that if I could give you guys the expire when I was in this thing, I think December 9th is when I got in. So we're already 2 months in. It's February 6th today, so about 2 months. Not bad, not bad. All right, but again, it's high risk. So is trading. What if that earnings went really, really poorly? It's high risk in everything you do. So a lot of people want to spend time pointing out whether it's legit, whether, this could be, and yet I know there's people that literally give their trades and they suck. They don't know what they're doing. And they charge a service fee, or they give their sports picks and their picks suck. Every sport pick I've given you guys has been right so far. Lions +7, you cashed. If you want my Super Bowl pick, join my chat. The link is in the description. And if you want to just see what I'm doing, I typically post more in my chat groups. I have a private chat group, never paid, never charged anybody. But I'm going to give you the FUD Farm Degens group if you're looking for a group. You don't have to follow me. I'm not right all the time. But anyways, if you are looking for a list of what are the projects that I'm in, I give you that list. You guys can get that by simply clicking the link below. And this is a description. It looks like this, okay? These are all the current plays that I'm in. Tsla, XB, Shao Bank, 101 Moneymaker, Liquid X, Bruno X. All of these pay me. Liquid X, Bruno X have been great. 101's been great. Shao, XB. Will these last forever? I don't know. But these are the lists of projects that I'm currently in that are more long-term, have been proven to be a little bit more long-term. I will get in the slot machine, quick ROI dApps here and there. Sometimes they work out great, sometimes they don't. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for clicking the links below and liking and subscribing before you leave. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.